Simon Plan. Today we're going to be opening a new FGTEEV toy. Shout out to FGTEEV, I love them. They're my favorite YouTubers. I never opened this before, but if you go to my YouTube channel and you scroll a lot, you should see me opening a mini toy, mini TV. Go check the YouTube out, they're pretty good. And check out my YouTube. It was fun. What the heck is this? I did not know they had this. Sounds so funny. Oh, a mini one. Oh, I think this is Doopy. Yep, Doopy. Doopy bacon? Doopy bacon. It says Doopy bacon. Green slime? Look, green slime. How do I open this? How do I open this? Ow. Ooh, that scared me. That feels like that color changing, like that glow in the dark slime that I got in my last video. This one is like chunks. It kind of feels like putty and slime mixed together. That's what it feels like. I'm gonna put it like that. Whoa! I think this is on the notes. And I think that's all. Wait, I'm going to take its head off. Wait. I'm going to place its head with things. This is just going to be funny. Put this here. That scared me. This is what real bacon looks like. Except for the hole. That's funny. Oh, I need to come back. Doopy is so funny. Whoa! I did not know he had a different face. Well, I saw they do much fun. They opened it. That Doopy! Scared Doopy? Spoiled Doopy. That's what he looks like. He's spoiled. And he's expired. He just looks like this. Which one do you like? And I got Doopy. Doopy is my favorite. I got it. I still didn't put his head on. What? I'm too fat. Doopy is so funny. Expired Doopy? Good Doopy. Yeah, that's funny. Subscribe and like if you know FGTEEV Daddy. There's Mooney, what they call. Well, they call FGTEEV Mommy, Mooney, and they call Daddy, FGTEEV Daddy, and they call Chase, FGTEEV's Chase, and FGTEEV Mike, Mike. Well, Mike, FGTEEV Mike. Lex, FGTEEV Lex. Sean, well, they call him Beastie Sean, and they call him FGTEEV Sean. And that's all I have. I just love the mini one. I love the mini one. It's like the size of my hand. It's so cool that you can take everything out and then you can put it in like the center and then you can close it and then you can open the big one and then you can open the bottom one. Oh, but they got a new book. Oh, they have music thing. Oh, I wish I got Moomy. Well, I wish I got FGTEEV Mommy. Let's see. Oh, Doopy. Doopy. Right there. Right there. Can you see him? Let's see what they have. They have Dino. Oh, I found mine. Right? I found my FGTEEV Daddy right there. Right there on the top. Let's even find Doopy. I think this is just the characters. I don't think these are the snaps. Oh, I found the snaps. It was stuck. I found Doopy. Oh, I wish I got bag of beans. Bag of beans. There is spoil. That. And let's try to find. Is that glue or spit? I think it looks like glue. I'm just looking at all of them. Well, Chase is a robot. Okay, let's see. We got Daddy, a dicker. What you call? We call Sticker a dicker, which we never call it. We call it Sticker. I just saw some people on YouTube call it that. I like to say it. Here's Doopy. And these are all what I have. Subscribe. This is